So last week we unboxed Oppo's Eva or Evangelion edition. The link for that video is in the description below. And this week I have brought you the iQoo Transformers edition. So let's start with the unboxing and then we will dig deep into the device and its performance. This package just arrived today, straight from China. Generally these special edition phones come to China and never really make their ways outside. Okay, let's get rid of this. It's very nicely packaged. I'm not even sure there's a phone inside or something else. Okay, so here we have. Let's keep this aside. It's not part of the box. Okay, things have started to roll. Okay, it's coming out. It's happening. Oh, how much bubble wrap have they used to pack this phone, man? It's crazy packaging. Okay, let's get rid of all of this. And here we have it. The iQoo Transformers edition. Well, I'm really excited looking at the package. It's actually Transformers branding up top on the box straight away. It says here iQoo X Transformers iQoo. It's Transformers branding all over. You see the Optimus Prime up top. Okay, and you see Transformers logo up here, which is authentic with an Autobot icon and the Transformers icon up here. And you see a lot of gibberish up here, which is in Chinese. I don't read Chinese, I don't understand Chinese. Anyway, let's try to unbox and see what is inside this package. I'll use the scissors itself to chop this plastic away. Okay, we are done. Plastic's off. Okay, there it is. Transformer packaging goes off, and you have this iQoo 5G box. Okay, personally I've not seen an iQoo 3 box. I'm not sure if the same box you get with the usual iQoo stuff or is it something else. It says Monster inside. Okay, it's pretty nice lid to the box. Anyway, let's keep this aside. This is the phone. We'll look at it in a minute. First, let us see what's inside the box. You see this box has this carbon fiber sort of an imprint. You get this stickers to go with. What else do you get? Is there any other special edition stuff inside the box? Let's see. Okay, you get a case here. iQoo 3. You get some cases up here. SIM card ejector tool with some literature, which I'm going to keep here. And you get a case. Oh wow, this case is really nice. You see the Transformer logo up here. Again, the same branding that we saw on the box. It's the same thing, which again goes on the case itself. And you see the Autobot logo up here. Transformers iQoo. Very nice case. It's very nice. Okay, let's leave it here. The charger also has the Transformers logo. Let's leave this here. And what else do you have? Oh, you have a cable to charge the phone. And that's pretty much it. Okay, let's look at the phone now. So this Transformers edition comes in 12GB RAM variant with 128GB of storage space. Overall is the same phone as the usual iQoo 3 that you have seen before. But this being the special edition phone has this beautiful outer body. The metal body is colored in this champagne gold color and the back is simply amazing. The Transformers logo is the main attraction here with the centered iQoo branding. The back has subtle lines going across, giving it that carbon fiber look. You also get a good gaming attention on this phone as you get dedicated pressure sensitive triggers on this phone that will make your gameplay enjoyable, and that gets further enhanced by its 180Hz touch response on this 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display. The display is really nice to look at with respect to colors and clarity. Gameplay was buttery smooth on this phone and I absolutely loved it. Unfortunately, this is not a high refresh rate display and kind of is disappointing because that would have made this phone an irresistible package. Coming back to its special edition goodies, the phone's UI is coated in special theme based on Transformers. You see it everywhere. The overall dark theme suits the device's exterior color really well, and you see the presence of Autobot's logo at the lock screen itself. The icon pack also is inspired by the Transformers. Not sure if this theme is good or bad because I personally kind of had love and hate relationship with these icons. By the way, I am curious to know about your thoughts on such special edition phones. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think about these special edition phones? Besides the special edition treatment of being a Transformer edition phone, it is otherwise very similar to a usual iQoo 3 phone. The display houses a fingerprint scanner that was really quick to get you behind the lock screen and a face unlock through a tiny punch hole camera. That was also very fast in unlocking the phone through the face unlock. You get a dedicated AI button to summon the assistant of your choice. Although this Transformers version doesn't come with any Google services installed, but it is fairly easy to install Google services on these kind of phones. Not like Huawei. It's on these kind of phones, it's very easy. But keep in mind, they still have footprints of being the Chinese version and have some annoying apps. Those will keep notifying you in Chinese language at times. Overall, talking about iQoo 3 Transformers Edition in general, I like the way this phone feels in the hand. Yes, it is a bit on the heavier side like the regular iQoo 3, but guess that's how things are becoming nowadays. Bigger batteries, demanding chipsets and larger camera modules making the phone put on all this weight. Now when we talk about the picture quality, pictures come out decent. But video recording was not that great as I faced some focus issues with respect to videos. You can record in 4K 60 FPS and you get anti-shake support for steady video output. Overall picture quality is not that bad, to be honest. Daylight had a nice HDR control, colors looked nice and punchy, sharpness was okay, and color science was also not bad. During the low light too, it was not that bad. The detail it captured was decent enough to call it an okay camera phone. Credit where it's due. iQoo has made a really awesome looking phone in this Transformers edition. It has dedicated hardware for gamers and has above average camera performance when compared to other gaming phones. It has a brilliant audio output through its 3.5mm jack. Yes, there is no wireless charging, there is no IP rating and no stereo speaker setup. Also, the software, it is a typical of what you see from likes of Oppo or Vivo, etc. It is filled with features and lets you customize so many things on the phone while running on top of Android 10. Performance is fluid and smooth and UI doesn't lag or stutter anywhere. So using this phone won't be a challenge and you will get a great battery backup thanks to its 4440 mAh battery. This battery will definitely keep the lights on for the day of heavy usage and you will get the support from a 55 watt in-bundle fast charger. That is insanely fast and will charge your battery from 10% to 50% in just around 15 minutes. Crazy, isn't it? What are your thoughts on this phone? Tell me in the comments below. And do subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.